Hey super swing traders, I hope you're doing good. Today we're going to take a look at some charts and see where we can identify supply and demand order flow and trade it for income. Let's take a look at the Aussies Singapore dollar and see where we can find the good old supply and demand areas. On the monthly, we have a strong downtrend with a pretty weak level of demand at all-time lows, holding it, but it's been tested once, twice, third time, fourth time, and it's been penetrating deeper. So we are expecting this trend line to hold. If it retraces it, this trend line is gonna block it and keep it continuing to go lower. It's penetrating deeper and deeper. On the weekly, there must be some kind of demand and control too. Yep, down here. Let's just draw like this. Okay. Alright. So price is at all-time lows, but so price is at all-time lows, so we don't want to short. We don't really want to short because it's just at all-time lows. It's so low that it's gonna bound to go back up. But if you're trading the lower time frames, you can probably do a counter trend short if you want to. Doesn't hurt. But if you're trading this long term, we want to make sure that it breaks over these two trend lines before we go long and start creating new areas of demand on the way up. Okay. So I'm just going to delete it because it makes my chart look kind of ugly. Okay, but yeah, we know that we're not shorting. Try not to short anymore. All right. On the daily, there's a new area of demand created, but price tested one time, two time. It's really weak too, so we're expecting price to go lower. It's gonna keep going lower until probably the very end here, or even break down here. I guess the Aussie dollar is pretty weak against the Singapore dollar. So monthly is in a downtrend, weekly is in a downtrend with monthly area demand and control, but it's penetrating deeper. I expect this to be removed, but even after it's been removed, then we can go short after this area has been removed, and same with the weekly. Otherwise, since the daily is consolidating right now, it's not going any lower, it's consolidating. If it does make its move back up, then you can buy on the way up until it reaches this area of supply on the weekly, and then it's probably going to drop lower and break this area of this monthly area demand. Same with the 4 hour. It's been going down, but then it's stuck in this 4 hour demand zone, and then there's also another 4 hour demand zone down here. So it's pretty good support for it to bounce, but if it doesn't, then it's going to continue to go lower and lower until it breaks this monthly area of demand. This Forex pair is on my watch list, but it's not. I don't check it every day because I know that it's gonna take a while for price to go back up here to this area of supply, or it's gonna take a few months to penetrate this monthly area demand. So it's not a Forex pair that I'm gonna check every day. So that's why even until now I haven't even made a video on it. But I figured I'll just make a video on it just in case someone has a question on it, and then they can come back and watch this video and get some insights on what bias to go. Okay, so that is the analysis on the Aussie Singapore dollar. I hope you found this helpful. If you do, Give it a like, thumbs up, and share with your friends and family, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and leave a comment below. If you're not already subscribed, please click the subscribe button below and click that little bell icon. That way you'll get notified of the next video that I publish. Thanks again for watching.